Did you know that over 100 million people travel internationally every single day? That's a whole lot of people navigating new places, dealing with delayed flights, and trying to stuff their entire lives into a carry-on. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? In this video, I'm dropping some serious travel knowledge bombs. Get ready to travel smarter, smoother, and way more enjoyably. Alright, let's talk packing. You know that struggle of trying to fit 2 weeks worth of clothes into a bag the size of a small dog? I used to be that person, rocking up to the airport with an overflowing backpack and a prayer that it wouldn't explode on the baggage carousel, but not anymore. First things first, rolling your clothes. Forget about neatly folding everything. Rolling is the key to maximizing space and minimizing wrinkles. Trust me, it's a game changer. Then, we've got packing cubes. Shirts in one, pants in another, and you can actually find what you're looking for without turning your entire bag inside out. Well, packing problems solved. Let's be real, nobody likes spending their hard-earned cash on overpriced flights. So, how do you beat the system? First up, flexibility is your best friend. If you're able to travel during the off-season or on weekdays, you're golden. Airlines love to reward flexible flyers with cheaper fares. Next, sign up for those airline newsletters and keep your eyes peeled for special deals and flash sales. Rack up those miles and points, and you'll be jetting off to paradise in no time. Stepping off the plane in a brand new city can be exhilarating and a little terrifying, right? But don't worry, I've got your back. First things first, ditch the expensive tourist maps and download an offline map app like Maps.me. It's a lifesaver for navigating unfamiliar streets without needing Wi-Fi or burning through your data. Now let's talk transportation. Public transport is your new best friend. It's often the cheapest and fastest way to get around, and it gives you a real feel for the city. Plus, you never know what interesting characters you might meet on the bus or train. Even a simple hello or thank you can go a long way in breaking down barriers and making your trip more meaningful. Look, I'm all about embracing adventure, but staying safe while you're out exploring is non-negotiable. First and foremost, share your itinerary with someone you trust back home. Let them know your plans, where you're staying, and when you expect to be back in touch. Next, keep those valuables close. A money belt worn under your clothes for your passport and cash, and a pack-safe bag to keep your electronics secure. And here's a tip I learned the hard way. Always be aware of your surroundings. No walking around with your head buried in your phone, especially in crowded areas or at night. Forget those overpriced tourist traps. I'm about to let you in on the secret to finding the best local food, no matter where you are in the world. Ready for it? Ditch the fancy restaurants and head straight for the street food stalls. It's where you'll find the most authentic and delicious flavors a city has to offer, often at a fraction of the price. Another pro tip, ask the locals for recommendations. Strike up a conversation with your taxi driver, the barista at your favorite coffee shop, or that friendly grandma selling fruit at the market. And don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone and try something new. You never know, you might just discover your new favorite dish. Ever dread that layovers when planning your flight? But what if I told you layovers could actually be enjoyable? First things first, research your layover airport beforehand. Find out if there are any cool amenities like a rooftop garden, a movie theater, or even a swimming pool. Long layovers are the perfect opportunity to stretch your legs, explore the airport, and maybe even squeeze in a quick workout. And most importantly, pack your layover essentials: a good book, noise-canceling headphones, and a portable charger. Listen up, because these travel apps are about to become your new best friends on the road. First up, Google Translate. This app is a lifesaver for communication, especially in countries where you don't speak the language. Just type in what you want to say, and the app will translate it into the local language, both written and spoken. Next, we've got City Mapper. Forget about deciphering confusing public transport maps. This app does all the hard work for you. It shows you the fastest and cheapest ways to get around, with real-time updates and step-by-step directions. And finally, no travel app arsenal is complete without XE currency. This handy little tool lets you quickly and easily convert currencies, so you can always keep track of your spending and avoid getting ripped off. I've thrown a lot of travel hacks your way, but this last one is the most important of all. It's not about packing cubes or secret airline loopholes, it's about being present. Put down your phone, soak in the sights, sounds, and smells of your surroundings. Talk to the locals, try new things, and don't be afraid to get a little lost. The most memorable travel experiences are often the ones that happen when you least expect them. So there you have it, 8 genius travel tips that will completely change the way you explore the world. From packing like a pro to uncovering hidden food gems, these hacks will help you travel smarter, smoother, and with a whole lot more enjoyment. Now I want to hear from you. What are your best travel tips and hacks? Share your wisdom in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to travel like pros. Want to find out more about other useful travel information? Check out our other videos for more travel tips and hacks. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more.